Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all guys? I wish all are in good health by the blessed of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to my channel Iron Art Academy, and today I am going to show you guys a simple cover piece design for your school assignment and project. So it is very easy to draw, and if you are new in my channel, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the get all new notification from my channel. And if you like my video, give the thumbs up, and if you don't like my video, you can give the dislike button, and you can also comment in my video how was my video and what I need to improve in my video. So let's go and watch the video.